Maintaining a high-octane momentum, Gita Debbarma, the Tipra Motha candidate for the 17th pekuwarjala Jannmejaynagar ADC constituency, entered the 5th day of her door-to-door election campaign this Monday. Accompanying her was sitting MLA Manav Debbarma, as the duo conducted an extensive outreach program across the Hirapur Village Committee areas from early morning. The campaign focused on direct interaction with the electorate, focusing on grassroots issues and the party's core agenda. The leaders spent the morning navigating the lands of Hirapur, visiting households to gauge the public pulse. Gita Debbarma emphasized the need for continued trust in the Bubagura leadership to secure the constitutional rights of the indigenous Tipra people. Following the door-to-door drive, the campaign shifted to a strategic organizational meeting held at the Hirapur Community Hall.
Ang Pulawan jaga very much positive of feel. Kaya o jaga 99.9% Tipra Motha supporters ang je kaya observe mani ebong report naman. 100% guaranteed obo pai nai. Tam ibagi hinke obo not only 17 pekuwarjala Jannmejaynagar entire ADC jeng 28 constituency contest khlai tongmani pai nai. Tamni bagi paine hinke obono je Tiprasar jotesto alert Tiprasar jotesto siwo Tiprasan bagi sabo fight klaitong sabo kokti chaitong sabo awas klaitong hinkai jeng joton siwo only Tipra Motha ebong Maharaj Tipra Motha ni joto warriors re Maharaj Tiprasan bagi sabo klaitong Tiprasar obviously bonono pultuna.
MLA Manav Debbarma urged voters to consolidate their support to ensure a decisive victory in the upcoming TT ADC polls.
Chini je campaign Hirapur VC ni paradogo seng nogo thangka oro phaikena seng semangka ekta boisungo baksa kangma tongai khumlung saini phainai ba gulagati ni kendri baire phainai do abo ke bije misilani maskai mane bije misil haije matoksu unke election 12 तारिख दिनै बिजे मिसिल खाइ रेजाल्ट होय बिजे मिसिल खामे हाजि मा दंगनै साबायो गे आबनो हिरापुर बिसि और 99% और मथा बुथारे चिन थामसा मारिगो अब कोनो सन्देह करे शुधु इलेक्शन नंगै दिकारना सेमिसे बाकी रेजाल्टना सेम बाकी ओ पेकाजन जन्मजयनगर 100% मुकुमुय गाहाम रेजाल्ट बाय पास खाइ शुधु सिनि नाहामु आबनो माने बूथ नि जे आगि कबलाय माने बेबदान बाके तेब कबां खायने आबो सिमिसे सिनसाम ता कबलायनानि कैंपेन आबो यासिनि बूथ बाके तेब बायनाय आबो सिनि नाहामु आबो बागे सिन खायतंगो.
Observers note that the 17th pekuwarjala seat remains a crucial stronghold for Tipra Motha, with the party deploying its top local leadership to maintain its dominant influence in the constituency. Reported by Biplo from Pekuwarjala, Chini, Khorang.